Hello guys! What's up guys? For today's video guys, magkuan day ta kapayas guys, kuan ta na puliso guys. Isalod dito na ato nang itanom. Ato din siyang lamawon. Unsa ka ba kung lamawon kanang sagulan di ay pot milk. And na. First, you remove the seeds because you have to plant this one. Planting ba planting? Nya kanang na ang remove seeds first no? Nya and then, when you finish, you put this one. Kuan. Kanang, sana, milk ba? Milk. Powder milk. No kondensada. You just put powder milk. Then, you cut this one like this. Slice. Half. Then, remove again the seeds. You see this? Oh, remove the seeds, no? Na. You have to plant the seeds because after 6 months or 5 months, you can eat again the papaya. Kanat puo ba? Dili mapuo. Na, remove. Yeah, too much seeds. The papaya, too much seeds. This one maybe yummy. I don't know if yummy. Be, I try. If, kanang sweet, batamis. Right? Sweet. Papaya is sweet. It's not salted, ha? Okay na? Okay. You kuskus this one. Remove the kuan kanang inside. Like that. You see, ha? You watch. Watch and learn. Like that. You remove all the inside. Sana. You remove the meat of papaya. Hindi. This one is meat of papaya. You have removed this one. Because the skin cannot eat. This one, the skin is bitter. Too much bitter. Like apalaya ba bitter kaayo kanang pait ba pait. You see that guys? You have to remove. Agoy oy. Dili man kabalo masyado ning akong kauban. Kana is already half because the bird is langgam eating the papaya because the bird is very like the papaya, no? The snack the papaya but the bird is snack papaya. That's why this one half already because some of the bird is picking the papaya, the half become half and then remove picking the bird, no? That's why this one is small already. The finish now. And then now you have to put the what's that? Milk, powder milk. That's powder milk. Kanang gatas kanang powder. Unsa may in English powder? Kanang uga na gatas. Kanang powder milk. Dili tong kondensada na basa-basa, dili pud tumao ha, basta kana powder na siya. You put 1, isa. 2, duha. 3, tulo. 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7. Only 7 scoop. Kanang panaksan ba? Now you put brown sugar. Kanang brown, kanang kamay ba? Kamay na kanang ang brown. Kamay. Finish. No more na. Nawa na ikapis inday ana. No more. Na finish. No more. Natamis na kayo na diha. Uy. Tamis na ka ano, no? Na diabetiso na taani guys. Kanang nang too much sweet ba? You see that? Too much sweet. The papaya is sweet already and then you put na siya kay lalaki man na. He put the sugar, kanang brown sugar, kanang central ba? Central na gud sa mo agud. You see what you see? Yeah, look at yummy, delicious, nice, delicious guys. Kanang lami ba lami. And then you have to put this one there. Come. Let's go over there inside. We have to put this one in the refrigerator karip barip amot unsa may kahay kuan ani oy kanang nang wako kabaw oy ba loaded. You have to remove first because loaded too much inside. Okay, you have to close and open. You open. No. You get the wire and then you put inside the nose. Finish. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share. Go right. Bye-bye.